Hi all, welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's discuss about the leave settings. So here we have the settings. So let's go to the settings. And in the settings, we have leave and under the leave, we have restrictions and compensatory leave. So let's go to the restrictions. Here we have the option restricts pass date leave request creation. That is, if we enable this feature, only the admins or the managers will be able to create leave requests for the past days. So since we have enabled this feature, all the employees, the normal employees will not be able to create leave requests for past days. That is, if an employee had to take a leave in an emergency and couldn't create a leave request, he or she would want to create a leave request in the past date. So if we enable this feature, you'll not be able to create a leave request for the past date. So let's go to an employee portal. So this is an employee portal of Andrew Hayes. So let's try to create a leave request for a past date. So you can go to the my leave request and let's create a annual leave. So here let's give a past date. That is let's give 20th and the end date also. Here we can add a description and let's try to save this. Here we can see that request cannot be made for past dates. That is, since we have enabled the feature or restrict past date leave request creation, the employee will not be able to create the leave request for past dates. So this is the restrict past leave option, and then we have the compensatory leave. So here in the compensatory leave, if we have enabled this feature over here, we can see the compensatory leave type and we can view its details like the period and the total days, carry forward type, etc. And if we want to edit it, we'll be able to edit it also. And then we also have the option compensatory leave request in under the leave module over here when we enable compensatory leave request. So this is all about the leave settings. So hope it is clear and thank you for watching.